Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a main menu quickly in Godot using a single texture atlas. We'll build a menu with play, options, and quit buttons, plus an options panel with a close button. This setup is perfect for prototypes, game jams, and beginner projects. Let's get started. I already have my game scene ready, and I also prepared a PNG texture atlas. This atlas contains a background image, menu and options frames, play, options, quit, and close buttons. Each button has normal, hover, and pressed states. Using one atlas helps reduce draw calls and keeps the project organized. Create a new scene and choose 2D scene or user interface as a root node. I'm choosing 2D scene, but you can choose user interface for better screen size adjustment. Rename this scene to main menu and save it. Drag the atlas PNG into your project. Add a texture rect node and name it background. Assign the atlas texture to it. You can watch more about how to import texture atlas on the top link or link in description. Enable region, then select the background area from the atlas. Set the anchors to full rect so it fills the screen. Adjust scale and position to fit game camera. Add a texture rect or panel for the menu frame. Assign the same atlas texture, enable region, and select the menu frame area. Center it on the screen using anchors or layout options. Now let's create the buttons. Add a texture button and name it play button. Before assign textures for play button, we need to make 3 more atlas resources for 3 states of buttons, which are normal, hover, and pressed. In the inspector, set texture normal, atlas, select play normal. Set texture hover, atlas, select play hover. Set texture pressed, atlas, select play pressed. Repeat this process for options button, quit button, close button inside the options panel. Each button uses the same atlas, just different regions. Now set main menu scene as default when startup, and we will test states of 3 buttons first. When the mouse cursor hovers over the button, it transitions to the hover state. Upon clicking, it transitions to the pressed state. This is a very nice feature. Now we will create Options Panel. Create a new controller panel node called Options Panel. Assign the options frame from the atlas. Create new close button for close options panel. Now selection options panel and set visible to false by default. Next, add script to main menu root node. We'll handle all buttons here using separate signal functions. Each button connects its pressed signal to the corresponding function. You can find final script at the link in description. Once play button is pressed, change scene to level 1 scene. Put your exact level 1 scene name. Once option button is pressed, we will set option panel visible to true. Once quit button is pressed, quit application. Once close button is pressed, set options panel visible to false. Run the scene and test everything. Play starts the game. Options opens the options panel. Close hides it. Quit exits the game. Simple, clean, and fast. And that's it. You now have a fully working main menu in Godot, built with a single texture atlas and a clean script setup. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.